Welcome to our video tutorial for listing display found under website admin settings. In this video, we'll cover the detailed settings and options found under listing display. These settings control the display settings when viewing a listing, such as appearance, info to include, info to exclude, and more. And with that, let's get started. The first section is general settings. Retain the original aspect ratio of listing photos will retain the photo size rather than attempt to fit them to their current frame when viewing the listing detail page photo mosaic. Show acreage in the primary info for residential listings can be enabled to showcase the acreage field as more predominant if desired in your market. Show bed and bath data in the primary info for multifamily listings when the info is available. This will display the bed and bath data in the primary info when provided. For sold listings, show a sold versus list price comparison. This will display an above or below list price percentage on sold listings. Show a price reduce icon will display a reduced price icon when applicable. More so, this can be expanded to also include show price reduced text, as seen below this option. Display bathrooms in the following format allows you to choose from 3 formats when disclosing bathroom count. The options are 3 bath, giving whole count disclosure, 2.5 bath reverts to a whole number when there are multiple partial baths, which will note partial bathrooms as seen, and 2 full, 1 half bath, if a more explained version is desired. The next section is badges. Badges are the icons overlaid on certain parts of the website to denote a certain status or change. New badge listings are considered new if they are 7 or fewer days old. This determines which listings will be marked with the new badge. Under contract and pending badges will display by default. When this setting is enabled, these badges will be hidden. For sold listings, including the sold date inside the sold badge, the default is to include a sold badge. This expands this option to also include and display the sold date within the badge. The next options impact results and listing cards. This will set the settings for the results page, its order, and the listing cards themselves. Feature your listings at the top of relevant search results. When enabled, this will push the listings found in your listing manager to the first results when your listings match relevant search criteria. Show your photo on listing cards for your listings will display your agent photo as a badge on listings from your listing manager on the search results page. Show status on listing cards will mark the listings with a badge indicating the listing status for all listings on the search result page. The next section is listing details, where you'll find the various settings for the listings when clicked to show full listing details. Show virtual tours on listing details for listings that have one will include the virtual tours in the page photo mosaic when enabled or exclude this if disabled. The option by default expand the more info section on listing details, if enabled, will automatically expand the listing details rather than show a show more option that would need to be clicked before the additional info will be shown. Show rental affordability calculator on listing details will show on rental listing types when this option is enabled. Show an estimated monthly payments section on listing details will show on for sale types when this option is enabled. Below this, you can enable include a get pre-approved link where you can enter in a link to your preferred lender if desired, and the option to have this link open in the current browser window or a new one. Show a market report section on listing details will dedicate part of the listing detail page to displaying a market report section when enabled. Show your agent profile on listing details refers to displaying your agent profile, including your agent image in the side column of the listings when enabled. Show listing dates on listing details when data is available will include a list date on the listing details page. Show your logo on listing details is similar to the earlier option of showing your agent profile. Show similar listings on listing details will feature a carousel of suggested relevant listings or similar listings. Show printable flyer button on listing details is similar to the earlier option of showing your agent profile. A print version button will be listed in the side column of the listing when enabled. Show map button on listing details will include or exclude the view on map button found in the top right of listings. And the last option, don't open listing details in modal windows, will open the full listing detail page when clicked rather than display a modal overlay of the listing when a thumbnail is clicked. And that concludes our video tutorial for listing display found under website admin settings. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will get you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. Most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you. Give our elite service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.